Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Are you really in love? Here are the 5 telltale signs that you have fallen deeply in love with your crush. Have you ever found yourself wondering, am I actually in love with this person? Or is it just a fleeting infatuation? It's a question that has plagued mankind since the dawn of time. How can we be sure that what we're feeling is the real deal? Well, my friends, fret no more. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the telltale signs that you're experiencing something truly special, something that goes beyond a simple crush. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your heart as we explore 5 undeniable indicators that you're head over heels in love. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound clarity about your feelings and be equipped to navigate the exciting journey of love. Chapter 1. Sign number 1. You crave their company. When you're genuinely in love with someone, it's not enough to just steal glances across a crowded room. Those fleeting moments of eye contact are just the beginning, a spark that ignites something much deeper, or exchange a few fleeting texts. Those messages, filled with emojis and inside jokes, are just a small part of the connection you crave. You crave their presence like a breath of fresh air, a lifeline in a sea of ordinary faces. Their company becomes a sanctuary, a place where you feel most alive and understood. You find yourself rearranging your schedule, moving mountains, just to spend a few precious moments in their orbit. Every minute with them feels like a gift, a treasure you can't get enough of. It's not about grand gestures or extravagant dates, though those can be nice too. It's about the little things, the everyday moments that make your heart swell with joy. It's about the simple joy of being around them, whether you're sharing a coffee in comfortable silence, feeling the warmth of their presence beside you, or losing yourselves in conversation for hours on end. Those deep, meaningful talks where you explore each other's minds and souls. You're fascinated by their world, their thoughts, their dreams. Every word they speak is a window into their soul, and you can't help but be captivated. Every conversation is a chance to delve deeper, to uncover the hidden layers of their personality. You want to know everything about them, every detail, every nuance. You find yourself hanging on their every word, their laughter music to your ears. Their voice becomes a melody that you never tire of hearing. Time seems to melt away when you're together, leaving you wanting more, always wanting more. Hours feel like minutes, and you wish those moments could last forever. This, my friends, is a clear sign that you're not just infatuated, you're falling deeply, madly in love. It's a beautiful, all-consuming feeling that changes everything. Chapter 2. Sign number 2. They make you feel like the best version of yourself. Infatuation can be a fickle beast. It often feeds on insecurity, making you question your worth and compare yourself to others. You find yourself lost in a sea of doubt, wondering if you measure up to the standards set by society or even your own expectations. But love, real love, has the opposite effect. It doesn't just accept you for who you are. It celebrates you. It lifts you, empowers you, and inspires you to become the best version of yourself. This kind of love acts as a mirror, reflecting back all the good qualities you might have overlooked in yourself. When you're with this person, you feel a surge of confidence, a belief in your own abilities that you may not have felt before. It's as if their faith in you becomes your own, a belief in your own abilities that you may not have felt before. Their encouragement becomes a powerful force, driving you to reach new heights. Their presence is like a warm embrace, a constant reminder that you are not alone in this journey, reminding you of your strength, your kindness, your unique spark. They see the best in you, even when you can't see it yourself. You find yourself taking risks, exploring new horizons that you never thought possible. Stepping outside your comfort zone because you know they'll be there to cheer you on every step of the way. Their support is unwavering, a steady hand guiding you through the unknown. Because you know they'll be there to cheer you on every step of the way. Their love is a catalyst for growth, pushing you to evolve. Their love is a catalyst for growth, pushing you to evolve, to shed old insecurities and embrace your true potential. It's a transformative experience, one that changes you from the inside out. to shed old insecurities and embrace your true potential. This newfound sense of self-assurance isn't about arrogance or superiority. This newfound sense of self-assurance isn't about arrogance or superiority. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin, knowing that you are worthy of love and happiness. It's a deep-seated belief that you are enough, just as you are. Knowing that you are worthy of love and happiness. And that, my friends, is a powerful sign that you've stumbled upon something truly special. And that, my friends, is a powerful sign that you've stumbled upon something truly special. It's a love that doesn't just change your life, it changes you. Chapter 3. Sign number 3. You make sacrifices without even thinking twice. Let's talk about sacrifice. Now, I'm not talking about grand gestures of martyrdom or giving up your dreams for someone else. Sacrifice in love is more subtle, more nuanced. True love isn't about losing yourself. It's about finding someone you want to share your life with. It's about creating a partnership where both of you can thrive. But when you're in love, you naturally find yourself making small, selfless gestures, putting their needs and happiness above your own. These gestures are often spontaneous and come from a place of genuine care. Maybe it's staying up late to help them finish a project, even though you're exhausted. You do it because you want to see them succeed, and their success feels like your own. Or perhaps it's giving up your Saturday morning to attend their niece's ballet recital, even though you'd rather be sleeping in. You go because you know it means a lot to them, and their joy becomes your joy. These acts of kindness may seem insignificant on the surface, but they speak volumes about the depth of your feelings. They show that you are willing to put in the effort to make your partner's life better. You're not keeping score, you're not expecting anything in return. The beauty of these sacrifices is that they are given freely, without any strings attached. You simply want to make their life a little bit brighter, a little bit easier. It's these small, everyday sacrifices that build a strong foundation for your relationship. And the funny thing is, these acts of selflessness often bring you more joy than you could have imagined. The happiness you see in your partner's eyes becomes your own reward. That's the beauty of love. It inspires us to be more generous, more compassionate, more giving. It teaches us that true happiness comes from making others happy, and in doing so, we find our own fulfillment. So the next time you find yourself making a small sacrifice for your partner, remember that these moments are the building blocks of a lasting, loving relationship. They are the quiet, unspoken promises that say, "I care about you, and I'm here for you." In the end, it's these sacrifices, these little acts of love, that create a bond that can withstand the test of time. They are the true essence of what it means to love and be loved. Chapter 4. Sign number 4. They feel like home. You know that feeling you get when you've been traveling for a long time and you finally step back into your own home? The weight lifts from your shoulders, your worries fade into the background, and you're filled with a sense of peace and belonging. That's what it feels like to be with someone you truly love. They are your safe haven, your anchor in the storm. Their presence has a calming effect on your soul, easing your anxieties and making the world feel a little less daunting. You can be your most authentic self with them, letting down your guard and revealing your vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. Their arms are your sanctuary, their laughter your favorite melody. Being around them simply makes you feel better, lighter, more alive. It's not about needing them to complete you. It's about recognizing that your life is richer, more vibrant, with them in it. Chapter 5. Sign number 5. You feel a touch of jealousy, just a touch. Now, before you start picturing yourself scrolling through their phone or interrogating them about every interaction with the opposite sex, let me be clear. Jealousy, in its extreme form, is toxic and destructive. But a healthy dose of jealousy, a tiny flicker of possessiveness, can actually be a sign that you deeply care about someone. It's about recognizing that your connection is special, unique, and you don't want to share that with anyone else. It's not about controlling them or limiting their freedom. It's about valuing the bond you share and wanting to protect it. So, if you find yourself feeling a twinge of jealousy every now and then, don't panic. It doesn't mean you're insecure or possessive. It simply means your heart is fully engaged, and you recognize the value of what you have. Just remember to keep those feelings in check and focus on building a relationship based on trust, communication, and mutual respect. Outro. The journey of love awaits. So there you have it. 5 telltale signs that you're deeply in love with your crush. Remember, love is a complex and beautiful journey, full of ups and downs, twists and turns. But if you're experiencing these signs, embrace it. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, to take a chance on love. Because when you find that special someone who makes your heart sing and your soul soar, it's a feeling like no other. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.